Is Decentralized Masters a legitimate program? Does Decentralized Masters actually provide results for its members? Well, these are questions you may be asking yourself right now, and they're valid. In a world flooded with online programs that promise extraordinary results but often fail to deliver, skepticism is necessary. So it's only natural to wonder, is Decentralized Masters any different? Well, that's precisely why we're here today. Now let's be frank, I work with Decentralized Masters, so yes, you might think that there's some bias here, but that's exactly why I want to be 100% transparent and let the facts speak for themselves. So, without further ado, let's dive in. What is Decentralized Masters? Decentralized Masters has been dubbed the leading DeFi educational platform in the world. Not by us, but by leading Web3 publications like CoinMarketCap. And why would they make such a statement? Well, we were founded by a team of financial wizards and blockchain pioneers, bonded by one simple mission: to take the complex world of decentralized finance and make it accessible, understandable, and most importantly, profitable for everyone. Our educational platform is where cutting-edge research meets actionable insights. Whether you're new to DeFi or a seasoned pro looking to elevate your game, Decentralized Masters provides the tools and knowledge you need to thrive in this evolving landscape. But what truly sets Decentralized Masters apart is our team of over 100 world-class researchers and analysts. These aren't just dabbling in crypto markets. They're the sharpest minds in the industry. Our team includes former Wall Street quants who've cracked the toughest financial codes, blockchain developers who've shaped the very infrastructure of major cryptocurrencies, and PhD economists specializing in tokenomics. This collective brainpower gives us a 360-degree view of the DeFi landscape that you simply won't find anywhere else. Our insights aren't just theoretical, they're rooted in real-world experience and deliver real-world results. And I know what you might be thinking. This all sounds great, but where's the proof? Well, let's dive into the numbers. Decentralized Masters isn't just about the experts. It's about a powerful community of over 1,500 investors with a combined net worth of over $4 billion. Our community is made up of early adopters of Bitcoin and Ethereum, tech entrepreneurs, millionaire investors, influential business leaders, and even just everyday people who are serious about securing their financial future. But it's not just about money, they're seeing real, tangible results. Our insights have been featured in some of the most respected financial publications like NASDAQ and Entrepreneur.com. But the most telling indicator of our success, our users' satisfaction. We've earned the highest Trustpilot score in the DeFi education industry, 4.9 out of 5, based on hundreds of reviews. And for context, Trustpilot is a verified, reputable third-party company that encourages real customers to share their genuine experience of the program. And between me and you, our Trustpilot score doesn't shock me, because our members get access to premium, nothing held back, industry-leading training inside. And that's not all. In fact, here's a sneak peek at what's inside Decentralized Masters for our members. Daily market intelligence. This is where we stay on top of the latest DeFi trends, market shifts, and high-yield opportunities with real-time insights delivered directly to you. That way, we ensure that you're always on the cutting edge, 2 steps ahead, so you can be in the best position to capitalize. Gain access to a comprehensive educational platform that covers beginner basics to advanced strategies in the DeFi space. Gain access to our private in-house research team. These experts are constantly analyzing the market to uncover the safest, most lucrative DeFi opportunities before they go mainstream. As you'll know, this isn't a window that stays open forever. With each passing day, the advantage of being an early adopter slips further away. So if you were looking to start tapping into the industry that the millionaires, multimillionaires, and even billionaires are using to quietly multiply their wealth, you have to start doing so now before DeFi becomes mainstream. To help you navigate this opportunity, we've created an in-depth, step-by-step guide that will walk you through everything you need to know about DeFi, especially how you can position yourself early and avoid common pitfalls. Inside, we've also included a proven, battle-tested, straightforward, 3-step system our investors are leveraging to fully capitalize on this powerful investment vehicle, safeguarding their wealth against government overreach. So, if you're looking to truly maximize your investment potential, then just tap the button in the top right-hand corner and access our full A to Z guide on how you can start tapping into the DeFi market today. The question isn't whether DeFi will define the future of finance, it's whether you'll be part of that future. I hope to see you on the right side of history. All the best to you. Take care. Cheers.